I'm Colin Scott in the Department of Anthropology also, and I've worked in a couple of world areas, mainly northern Quebec with James Bay Crees, and also northern Australia with a Melanesian indigenous group in Torres Strait near Papua New Guinea. We're involved as a team. I'm a principal investigator currently on a CURA grant, Community University Research Alliances grant, with James Bay Cree communities in self-defined protected areas. And they're working out for themselves, you know, what should be the balance for our territory between industrial development, environmental protection, alternative forms of development such as cultural tourism or ecological tourism. And the balance that they envision is a very different balance from the way that it comes down politically in the South. Even though, as John has found, there's a general embrace of the notion of some sort of general notion of development, that it's possible to devise better lives for ourselves. And that's what that's an indigenous conception of development as opposed to a development agency conception of development. One sort of small example that we are seeing with many indigenous peoples is how eagerly they have got onto GIS, Geographic Information Systems. They want to control these things because their understanding is that information about our territory, they can relate very quickly to that kind of visual depiction of places and territories. And they understand there's power attached. And they don't want government offices to be the places where there are repositories of detailed information about their territory. They want it under their control. And this is, in fact, putting them in a stronger position to negotiate with corporations as well as governments when it comes to development options for their lands.